What's up guys, it's Steve at Precision Graphics, and today I'm going to talk about our installation van. This is our Ford Transit Connect XL, and the cool thing about it is that it has sliding doors on both sides. Starting off here on the driver's side, I have my tool bag, which includes basic final application tools and cleaning supplies. This is the one thing I always have with me on every job. I also have my Milwaukee pack-out bins, which help me stay organized. These include things like hardware, hand tools, drills, and other necessities for installing on site. In the back of the van, this is where we have room to transport the product, our ladders, or anything else we may need for the day. We also have our safety equipment, our folding tables, and more bins for organization. That's all for our van tour. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.